It is said that colors can affect our mood and thoughts. Depending on the age, gender, or ethnic background, colors can be experienced differently. However, certain colors can get similar reactions from most people. That is why it is important to use colors to your advantage. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the more popular color schemes we can apply to your design. But first, let's get back to the basics. What are primary colors? I'm sure you'll be thinking of the three letters, and that is RGB. That's true, but it really depends on what medium it is on. Colors need light to illuminate them, and in this case, we are looking at light illuminating these three colors to produce the millions of colors we see on our devices. We call this additive colors, and they exist on all the electronic devices today, from your good old CRT TV on the left to the LED screens. They have the three primary colors. If I were to magnify the screen, this is what you'll see. All the pixels are sprinkled with red, green, and blue colors. Millions of colors would be reproduced if they are illuminated with a backlit light. But wait, that wasn't the same when you were taking art class during your primary years. At least, from what I remembered, that wasn't even a green in primary colors. Color behaves differently on print, meaning that if you were to splash your pastels onto a canvas, you'd see a different reaction. Primary colors on a printed medium consist of red, yellow, and blue. Light is reflected onto the canvas to produce the colors you see in the paintings. We call this subtractive colors. So we have the red, yellow, and blue that makes up the primary colors on print. When you mix these colors, you'd get secondary colors. And mixing the blue and yellow gives you green. Mixing the red and blue gives you purple. And mixing yellow and red gives you orange. I'm pretty sure by now you get the picture where we're heading if we were to mix both the primary and secondary colors. Yes, you have graduated to a tertiary level. In this case, tertiary colors. These colors are called hues. And then there are the other color terms like tints, shades, and tones. And we shall cover that in the later part of the series. With endless color combinations at play, matching them would be a nightmare, or so it seems. In this next video, we'll look at the color schemes that can help us better manage colors and complement your design.